Welcome back to Crypto Paper. Do you know the latest news? What did China just say about Cardano ADA and when can we expect it to hit $10? The attraction in this industry has made significant growth in recent years. It has attracted a large number of dealers and investors. Cardano is a premier crypto firm when it comes to the bright future of this rapidly growing crypto industry. Several financial investors have partnered with this sector, and one of them, Cardano ADA, has grown into a strong column as a result of this outstanding value development execution since 2017. Will it be able to break the $10 barrier? In this video, we'll go over the basics of the Cardano and try to figure out if the ADA value would reach $10 by 2022. So stay tuned until the end. And Cardano fans, welcome to Cardano and your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Before we get to the topic, let's talk a bit about Cardano so you may understand it well and analyze everything. Cardano is a blockchain project that has staked more than 70% of its entire currency ADA for network validation, a really impressive rate. The cryptocurrency's lack of smart contracts is one of the reasons why so much ADA is staked. While validators account for about 5% of Ethereum's total supply, DeFi applications account for far more. The Cardano project began in 2015 with the goal of resolving some of the issues that Ethereum's proof-of-work consensus methodology had caused. Charles Hoskinson, a former co-creator of Ethereum, is the official founder of Cardano. Multiple processing levels for settlements and calculations, proof-of-stake consensus, and the possibility to upgrade Cardano's network quickly in the future are just a few of Cardano's main advances. The Cardano settlement layer debuted in 2017 and raised $63 million via the ADA. Because smart contracts are not allowed at the settlement layer, Cardano can only be used to settle peer-to-peer payments at this time. Since then, the ever-expanding team of developers has been hard at work prepping the Cardano computation layer for the launch of smart contracts. In the third stage of its development roadmap, known as Gogen, Cardano wants to introduce support for smart contracts. Cardano has some catching up to do, with smart contracts being developed on other blockchains like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Cardano's non-existent DeFi ecosystem is one of the most popular criticisms. Because smart contracts are the backbone of DeFi, the project will need to deploy them in order to support decentralized finance applications. The Cardano compute layer, which will support traditional Solidity contracts as well as its own language, Plutus, will run Cardano smart contracts. Since July 5th, the ADA price Cardano has been on a continuous fall, and this drop-off could be coming to an end. Although hesitant, a bound from a critical demand zone appears to be most likely catalyst for an uptrend to begin. Cardano's price has lost about 19% since establishing a swing high of $1.495 February 5th. As ADA trades around $1.227, it could reverse from its position and rise higher or plunge towards the support level, which extends from $1.156 to $1.196. Due to the market structure of Bitcoin, an increase is inevitable regardless of where it stands. Thus, investors might expect a comeback of purchasers. They'll break through the immediate resistance level of $1.251, then move into the demand zone between $1.287 and $1.318. A key 4-hour candlestick close above $1.318 will confirm a bullish shift in momentum. In this case, Cardano price might prolong its advance to the resistance level of $1.373, or in a more positive scenario, $1.440. After regaining $1.440, ADA could surge to $1.495 if purchasing pressure is maintained. While the positive scenario appears realistic, a possible rise in selling pressure that cuts through the immediate support level ranges from $1.156 to $1.196 will indicate buyer weakness. The optimistic thesis will be invalidated if a key 4-hour candlestick closes below $1.156, confirming the commencement of a decline that might extend below $1.107. Returning to our original point, if Cardano implements its open voting method, the network may lose a portion of its traders, causing the price to plummet to around $7.86. However, given ADA's improved bug avoidance techniques and the likelihood that it will continue to perform effectively with the same system throughout time, the price may sell for around $12.73. On the other hand, if ADA successfully flags any collaborative initiatives that can help improve its two-layer security, the fee may rise. Also, new smart contract updates may begin to perform efficiently, resulting in the ADA price reaching a maximum of $25.37 by the end of the following 5 years. As a result, The average price for Cardano in 2025 is $10. The longer the investment, the more difficult it is to forecast its outcome. Cardano, on the other hand, has a lot going for it. It has a firm road plan, a motivated and talented team behind it, and it is environmentally friendly. All of these characteristics indicate that it is here to stay, and while ADA price prediction for 2030 and beyond is unattainable, we believe it's a smart long-term investment. Many cryptocurrency investors have price milestones in mind when they invest. For example, the Dogecoin community has been eyeing $1, and the Ether community sees $10,000 as its key milestone. Fans of the ADA are curious as to when the token will reach $10. Given that the token has gained more than 800% in the last 4 months alone, ADA will need to grow more than 500%, and $10 is its present price. If the momentum continues, the $10 price milestone may be reached shortly, but it may be a long shot if the euphoria fades. Investors in Cardano have little to complain about since the token has recovered more than 6,200% in less than 5 years. Given the crypto's price forecasts, it appears that it will continue to provide strong returns in the future. Many cryptocurrency specialists consider the token as a way to get to the next Ethereum at a significantly reduced price. IOHK recently announced the creation of a technology ecosystem fund named C Fund in collaboration with Wave Financial Group, with contributions ranging from $250,000 to $500,000 and a cooperation with the crypto asset management fund Wave. The fund will reach a total of $20 million, which will be used for fund businesses. Wave will raise the remaining half of the $10 million fund, with IOHK contributing half. Less than a week after the Cardano virtual summit, Cardano published the updated Deadlist wallet on the Shelly test net. Users will be able to leverage testing and new features, such as delegation state pools, to try out the new functions offered by the latest Shelly release in a sandbox environment. To make the staking procedure easy, rewards distribution will be available in the sandbox environment. The price of Cardano ADA is quite likely to go over $10 this year, according to popular pseudo-anonymous analyst and trader Crypto Capo at Crypto Capo on Twitter. Also recently, the crypto influencer, who has been a long-time supporter of Cardano, stated that ADA is still one of the most valuable investments. In March, he concluded from his technical analysis of Cardano's price movement that it may reach $3 to $4 in the medium term and $30 in the long run. Cardano ADA, according to our estimates, can easily achieve the $8 to $10 mark before 2022. When it comes to how the coin has performed in the past, everything appears to be going well. Even though the past is approximately proportional to the future of values in the crypto world. Despite occasional price drops, Cardano has one of the greatest market caps and a massive amount of transactions every day, indicating that it is popular among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The coin's value has been steadily increasing over the last 4 years. Many partners believe in Cardano's long-term growth potential, as evidenced by recent technical assessments. Cardano is a solid investment decision for its investors according to industry dynamics and analyst reviews. Cardano is designed to be long-lasting, which is a concept that Ethereum is unfamiliar with. As successful as Ethereum has been thus far, there's no denying that it's been on a difficult path. Upgrading to proof of stake (POS) is the last thing a $250 billion blockchain should be doing, as it risks displacing millions of users. Cardano is undoubtedly on the road to huge success, and if luck is with it, the Cardano investors are going to become so filthy rich in no time. With many huge companies backing it up, there's nothing that is stopping Cardano to outclass Ethereum and put it to the side. That was all from today's video. Tell us in the comment section down below of what you think about all of what we told in this video. See you until next time.